Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the new lecture of English grade 7. Our today topic is active voice and passive voice. First of all, students learn how can we define active voice and how can we define passive voice. Active voice is actually that voice in which subject is active, in which subject does something on its own accord, while in passive form the subject is not active, it does not do anything on its own accord. Now, there are some general rules which we follow when we change a sentence from active voice to passive voice. Remember these rules. The first one is that we have to change the place of subject with object. Yani object becomes subject. Object of active becomes subject of passive. The second one is third form of the verb is used in passive form. Third form of the verb, past participle, is used in passive voice. Addition of preposition by is used in maximum sentences, not in all sentences, but in maximum sentences. And the fourth one is that subject of active becomes object of passive. These are four general rules. Now for each and every tense there exists a special rule. Today we are going to discuss the active passive voice of past perfect tense. So we are going to discuss that special rule by changing tense into passive voice. The helping verb had will change into had been. Remember that in past perfect tense we use had as a helping verb. That helping verb had is to be changed into had been. Now the second point is that we use third form of the verb in past perfect tense. That third form of the verb will remain the same. So examples: Ali had broken the window. Ali is subject here. Ali is subject, window is object. So this object becomes the subject of the passive, the window, and Ali becomes here object. The window had been broken by Ali. The window had been broken by Ali. Now the second sentence is they had eaten the meal. Here the subject they and meal object. Had converts into had been and eaten remain the same. The meal had been eaten by them. The meal had been eaten by them. She had not stolen the pen. She subject, pen object, stolen third form of the verb, had converts into had been. The pen had not been stolen by her. The pen had not been stolen by her. It's an example of negative sentence. See here, she had not stolen the pen. So the pen had not been stolen by her. Now the fourth example is he had not beaten the dog. Similarly, this is also an example of negative sentence. He had not beaten the dog. The dog had not been beaten by him. The dog had not been beaten by him. Now the fifth example is that of interrogative form. Had the children played cricket in the garden? Here en. Here the spelling is en. Had the children played cricket in the garden? So Here had remains the same. Now cricket. Had cricket been played by the children in the garden? Had cricket been played by the children in the garden? Had the women crossed the road safely? Had the road been crossed by the women safely? Had the road been crossed by the women safely? Now once again बच्चे learn about the general rules. Remember, we have 4 general rules. Object of active becomes subject of passive. Third form of the verb is used in passive voice. Addition of preposition by in maximum sentences, not in all sentences. And subject of active becomes object of passive. Now, general rule for passive voice of past perfect tense. Past perfect tense में हम had as a helping verb use करते हैं. तो जब हम past perfect tense के sentence को active से passive में change करेंगे तो वो had been में change होगा. दूसरी अहम बात ये है कि past perfect tense में हम third form of the verb use करते हैं. तो वही third form of the verb जो है वो सेम रहेगा, यानी वो चेंज नहीं होगा. जो थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब हम पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में यूज करते हैं वो पैसिव स्ट्रक्चर में वैसा का वैसा रहेगा. यानी सिर्फ हैड को हम हैड बिन में चेंज करेंगे और सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह चेंज करेंगे और बाय का इजाफा करेंगे. सो यू हैव टू राइट 6 sentences of past perfect tense in active form, and then you have to translate to convert them in passive voice. Practice these sentences बच्चे, learn by heart and do your homework. Thank you so much.